Yeah, so friends, my lecture topic of today is globalization. So, for that, I am going to divide my topic in four stages. One, what is globalization? Two, reasons for globalization. And three, positive impacts of globalization. And four, negative impacts of globalization. Okay, so first, what is globalization? Globalization is a process by which the world is becoming increasingly connected as a result of massive increase of trades and also cultural exchanges. Sorry, the biggest companies are not the biggest companies in a specific country is no longer a national firm. It's becoming a multinational company. Multinational company means that a specific company is holding up many branches in other countries also. In that way, a company can become a multinational company, and it is also a part of globalization. Globalization has resulted many things like increase of international trades. A company can operate in many other countries, like I said. It can also globalization can also divide. Globalization also can free a barrier between two countries by free trades. So yeah, that way globalization has resulted many things. And now my second point, reason for globalization. Uh, there is going to be some points about it. Uh, there are several key factors which have influenced the process of globalization, like improvements in transportations. In today's day, uh, a, a country can trade with another country by cargo ships because it is very cheap and very transportable. Economy of scale mean that the cost per item can reduce when operating on a large scale. Obviously, when two countries are trading with each other, they are going to operate in a very large scale. Transport improvements also mean that the goods and the people can travel more quickly. So in that is also a reason for globalization. Second point is freedom of trade. Organization like the World Trade Organization promote free trade between countries, which will help the country to remove the barriers between each other. Mm, Also, the communication and the mobile technology have allowed greater communication between people in different countries and also with different peoples. In that is also a very good reason for globalization. Okay, and main point which I like the most is labor and skills. Like India, the labor cost is very low and the peoples are very low as such as compared to the developed countries like UK or USA such, and the labors are here is highly skilled. Labor intense industries such as clothing can make a advantage for cheaper cost. All right. Uh, so coming back to my third point, it is positive impacts of globalization. So positive impacts are basically positive impacts, which I can say. Yeah, installation of large MNC factories can provide new jobs to the local people, so that way they can earn money. Uh, the the MNC companies can bring wealth to the local economy. In which way I am explaining to you, they can buy local resources from this area, and in that way, this local people can earn money, and in that way, the country can develop its global economy. By this, people can also exchange idea about each other, about their lifestyle, about their food, about their culture. Globalization can also increase the awareness of events far away from the specific countries. Like when 2007 tsunami happened, UK, United Kingdom is immediately aware and they immediately helped in the tsunami, help people for tsunami, crisis of tsunami.